often called the River of Kings. The Chao Phraya has been the lifeblood of Thai civilization for over a millennium. It was the foundation for the Dvaravati, Ayutthaya, and Ratanakosin kingdoms, serving as a vital defensive barrier and trade artery. Early civilizations, 7th to 11th century. The river basin hosted the Mon kingdom and the Dvaravati civilization. Ayutthaya era, 1351 to 1767. It became a global trade hub, connecting Siam with China, India, and Europe. In 1538, a major canal was dug to bypass an oxbow, which eventually became the main river channel we see in Bangkok today. Thonbura period, 1767 to 1782. After the fall of Ayutthaya, King Taksin established the new capital at Thonburi on the west bank. Bangkok era, 1782, present King Rama. I moved the capital to the east bank for better defense against invasions, founding modern Bangkok and constructing the Grand Palace. Modern era, the 1855. Baring Treaty opened the river to international steamships, transforming it into a global commercial corridor. In the 1950s, the Chinat Dam was completed to regulate irrigation for the nation's rice bowl. Formation. It begins at the confluence of the Ping and Nan rivers in Nakhon Sawan and flows 372 kilometers 231 miles to the Gulf of Thailand, Venice of the East. The nickname comes from the extensive network of klongs, canals, that served as the primary transit routes for centuries. Cultural heart. Today, it remains central to Thai identity, hosting the royal barge procession and connecting major landmarks like Wat Arun and the Grand Palace, the River of Kings that flows through the heart of Bangkok. It is the city's primary waterway and a major hub for tourism. Thanks for watching. See you next time. God bless you.